2012, and today me and my dad are going to get me a dirt bike.
In Marion, Ohio. I'll probably be there pretty soon. Pick up Emmett's 50cc dirt bike to complement your brand new 250 Kawasaki Enduro, am I right? Purchased just today. So I definitely want to give a ride on that soon.
It was a little scary at first. I didn't know what it felt like. But then when I got on, it felt pretty good. Dad, turn the gas up all the way! No, they're pretty easy. All the way down is neutral. Pop it up once, that's first gear, then twice. Second gear, then 3 times, that's third gear. First gear! First gear is the slow one. Second gear is medium, and then third gear is fast. Pretty easy. Pull this back, that gives it gas. Push it forward, that stops it. And then over here's the brake. And then kickstart, kickstand.
When you get real good on the dirt bike, are you going to go over jumps and then climb off the back and hold on to the seat?
Yeah, hopefully.
Have you ever seen guys do that?
Yeah. With one hand.